Hello! Are you ready to take your Christmas celebration to the next level? This Christmas, let's make your gatherings unforgettable with our Christmas Tablescape Workshop. Imagine impressing your friends and family with your stunning tablescapes that not only elevate your dining experience, but also brings warmth, coziness, and togetherness. And to top it off, you, the hostess, will enjoy the moment with them and not get stressed. In this workshop, I will teach you how to elevate your table decor based on the etiquette and functionality. You will be able to create variations according to your menu, your style, and your guests. Because remember, it's at the table where we have our meals, so it should be pleasant and functional. This workshop is beyond pretty dishes. It's about life unfolding, connections being built, and bond being strengthened. So join us on Saturday, November 15 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Avoid the hustle of last minute, and you will be able to have a mindset for your holidays and make it unforgettable. So click on the link here to get more information and get your seat. Spaces are very limited and they sell very fast. You won't miss it.